Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your project on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You can make a new project if you go to the new project button at the upper side of the screen, and in the project section you can find your old project. Just select one and you go to the right side of the screen. You can find the second button, the music. Click that and you can find different music. For example, select the pop and you can find different pop music. For example, if you want to add one, just click to the plus icon at the upper side of the screen and you can edit the song and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.